Yeah, we've been on the road to Crankworx, started in Queenstown, my hometown, stopped off at the NZ Enduro in Nelson, now we're here, Rotorua. Spin style qualifications about to go down, which is speed only, no tricks. And then after that we're going to do heats against each other with a few tricks, and then get into the round of 32. Should be good.
Just trying to do some more tricks.
It's pretty quick.
How quick?
Like very quick.
Lots of dobros, that's my go-to.
Why?
It's more bogan.
Rollers, jump, rollers, corners, prop.
A little bit of speed, a little more style, and just all the good times.
Yeah, I don't know if you can see, but it's absolutely passing down. Jake Kinney, I think he took me on speed and tricks probably, but you get that with the big jobs, eh?